Paying a collection does not affect your FICO score. Paying down a collection helps your Vantage score. Contrary to what many consumers think, paying off a collection that has gone to collections will not improve your FICO score. Negative marks can remain on your credit reports for 7 years, and your score may not improve until the listing is removed. On the other hand, when you pay or sell a collection and it is updated to reflect the zero balance on your credit reports, your Vantage score 3.0 and 4.0 may improve. However, because older scoring models do not ignore paid collections, scores generated by these older models will not improve. Something else to keep in mind is that every lender uses its own criteria when evaluating loan decisions. Some lenders may want to see that you are paying off collections before approving your loan. So, paying off collections could be very improve your credit worthiness in the eyes of a lender.